Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of this Russell Hobbs food processor. So the packaging was really simple and not really much to show. We have the instructions and we have quite a lot of accessories and parts involved. I noticed that there was a lot of plastic packaging. Looking at the unboxing, we have the motor unit and we have the grating disc as well. The setup process was really easy, and I found when I turned it on it was very loud. So that was a quick unboxing of this food processor. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks so much for watching.